Data analysis. This means to look at an existing data set and making meaning out of it. Types of data analysis. The diagnostic data analysis. This examines data to find the root cause of a problem or trend. It answers the question of why did it happen. Example, analyzing customer feedback to determine why sales dropped. The descriptive data analysis. This summarizes historical data to identify patterns and trends. It answers the question on what has happened based on historical data. An example include sales showing revenue growth over the last quarter. The predictive data analysis. The predictive data analysis uses statistical model and machine learning to forecast future outcomes. It answers the question of what is likely to happen. An example include data used to forecast weather. Cognitive data analysis. The cognitive data analysis mimics human thought processes to interpret data and provide recommendations. It answers the question, what should be done? Example is AI-driven chatbots that understands context and makes suggestions. Power BI. Power BI is an analytic tool used to analyze and process data. Key features of Power BI. Power BI has an interactive dashboard and reports. It gives real-time information. It has over 200 data connectors. It has AI capabilities, and it uses data modeling. Different key tabs for Power BI. Visualization. This is the section where you create and customize different visual representation of your data, like charts, graphs, maps, and tables. Dashboard. This is a single-page, real-time interface that displays a collection of visualizations and insights. It is ideal for providing at-a-glance view of data. Report. A report is a multi-page document that contains various visualizations and analysis derived from one or more data sets. You can interact with visuals to explore data more deeply. Dataset. Dataset is a collection of data imported or connected to Power BI for analysis. Datasets can come from various sources like Excel, SQL, cloud, or the web. Tile. A tile is a single visual or chart that is pinned to a dashboard. It allows users to see key metrics at a glance. Components or parts of Power BI. Power BI Desktop. The Power BI Desktop is a window-based application for data analysis and report creation. It has data modeling features, visualization features, DAX calculation, and it combines multiple data sources. It is used by analysts and developers to build and publish reports to the Power BI service. A typical scenario of the Power BI desktop is the designing of the dashboard and creation of complex data models. Power BI service. The Power BI service is an online SaaS platform to share and collaborate on reports. It features the hosting, sharing, collaboration, and real-time dashboard updates and scheduling data refreshes. It is used by end users and stakeholders to view reports and dashboards via the web or mobile. A typical scenario of the Power BI service is the publishing of reports from Power BI Desktop for company-wide access. Power BI Gateway. The Power BI Gateway acts as a bridge between on-premises data sources and the Power BI services. It features security, transfers of data from local servers to cloud-based reports. It is used to keep datasets in the cloud updated with an on-premises data. A typical scenario is an organization that uses Power BI Gateway to refresh data in the cloud from SQL Server database. Power BI Embedded. The Power BI Embedded embeds Power BI reports and dashboards into custom applications. It features API-driven integration, white labeling, and customization. It is used by developers to integrate analytics into their own applications. A typical scenario is an organization embedded interactive reports in a customer portal. Power BI data sources. Microsoft Excel, SharePoint folders, database, Azure, the web, etc. Summary. Data analysis is the act of looking at an existing dataset and making meaning out of it, while data analytics describes what has happened in the past and forecasts the future with it. Types of data analysis: diagnostic data analysis, descriptive data analysis, predictive data analysis, cognitive data analysis. Key features of the Power BI: interactive dashboard and reports. It gives real-time information. It has over 200 data connectors. It has AI capabilities. It has data modeling language used for modeling. For more of our educational series, follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel.